class 6. This is the continuation part of your previous video. In previous video we had started with the chapter number 1 from your English Rapid book, and we have learnt that two men were talking to each other, whose names were Mr. Haley and Mr. Shelby. Mr. Shelby was the owner of the house and Mr. Haley was the visitor who came to Mr. Shelby for settling down the debts which were taken by Mr. Shelby. And for this purpose, Mr. Haley came to visit Mr. Shelby, and he wanted a good, servant, a good, a man who could work very perfectly for Mr. Haley. Okay. So actually this novel that I have told earlier, again I am telling, this novel is the theme of the novel is basically upon the slavery system. Okay. So before so many years ago, people those who were white people, they used to treat black people as their slaves. And here Mr. Haley and Mr. Shelby were white people, and they were discussing about the purchasing of black people, that means their slaves. Mr. Shelby, who was a gentleman, and he proposed Mr. Haley to take Uncle Tom, who was a very genuine person and who was a very hardworking person too. Mr. Haley was also saying that Mr. Shelby was also saying to Mr. Haley that if Mr. Haley would take Uncle Tom as his slave, so Mr. Haley would be a gainer. But Mr. Haley wanted another boy or a girl with Uncle Tom. Okay. Whatever the debt was there for Mr. Shelby, Mr. Haley wanted to get another little boy or a girl along with Uncle Tom. Okay. So Mr. Haley told that he would take Uncle Tom, though he wanted a little boy or a little girl as his slave. Okay. So now we are going to read from the page number 8. We are starting it also. Please follow the class. None that I can spare. As a matter of fact, I do not like to sell any of my hands, and I am now so willing only out of necessity. So Mr. Shelby was not like the general owners of the slaves. Generally, the owner of the slaves were very cruel. Generally, they were very cruel, and they used to make their slaves work very hard and very hard. So, but here Mr. Shelby was a genuine person. He was a gentleman too. He did not want to sell any of his slaves, but because of the circumstances, because of the necessity to have the money, Mr. Shelby wanted to sell one of his servant to Mr. Haley. Okay. When Mr. Haley told that he would take Uncle Tom as a slave, though he wanted a little boy or a girl more, so that time Mr. Shelby told that no, he could not able to give any one of them, neither a little boy nor a little girl. Only he could sell Uncle Tom. Okay. And also Mr. Shelby informed that only for his necessity, that means he wanted the money, that is why he was ready to give away his slaves. Just then the door opened and a small Negro boy of 4 or 5 years of age ran into the room. He was a good-looking boy with large, lively eyes, a round face with dimples on his cheeks and black shining curls. So when Mr. Shelby and Mr. Haley, both of them were talking, at that time a little boy, just about 4 or 5 years age, he was a Negro. So Negro means here, that means the people who were having the black skin color. So Negro means, obviously you can understand that he was maybe he was a son of any of his Mr. Shelby's slave. Okay, so the little boy he ran into the room, and the little boy was very attractive. He was having two lively eyes, large lively eyes, and his face was very elegant. Okay, and he had also dimples on his cheeks. Okay, and he was having the very bright curls on his head. Okay. Hello, Harry. Show us how well you can sing and dance, and we will clap for you. The boy began to sing at once, a lovely clear tune accompanied by a rhythmic wild Negro dance. So, that means here, when the boy, that means the little boy came, at that time we came to know that his name was Harry. Okay, the name of the boy was Harry, and Harry came into the room, and he was being asked to dance or to sing a song in front of Mr. Haley. Okay, so obviously that little boy was very energetic, and he danced and sang in front of Mr. Haley, and Mr. Haley was thoroughly entertained by the dance and the song of Harry. The two gentlemen watching him were amused and delighted by his performance. They threw him some grapes to eat. So what happened? Two of them, Mr. Shelby and Mr. Haley, both of them were very amused. They were entertained and very happy to see the performance of Harry. Okay, both of them were very happy. Now, out of their happiness, they gave some grapes to the little boy to eat. Suddenly, Mr. Haley clapped his hand on Mr. Shelby's shoulder and said excitedly, "Tell you what, you sell that boy and Tom, I will settle all your debts." What happened? So suddenly Mr. Haley, who was the visitor who came to Mr. Shelby's house, and he actually gave the proposal to Mr. Shelby that he wanted that little boy. That means he wanted Harry along with Tom. And if Mr. Shelby would ready to give Uncle Tom along with Harry, then all of his debts will be cleared. Okay, all of his debts will be cleared. Now, just then the door opened and a young quadroon woman of about 25 years of age entered. Here quadroon means hybrid. Hybrid means here, that means a person who is from 1/4 black. 1/4 black means maybe his father is from a black, maybe his father was a black man, and maybe his mother was a white lady. Okay, or his mother belonged from a Negro family, and his father belonged from that means maybe his father was a white person. Okay, so here just then the door opened. That means when the two people were Mr. Shelby and Mr. Haley were talking to each other, at that time a lady came. A lady means here the door opened and a woman came, and the woman was about 25 years old. she entered. And the lady was looking like not completely Negro. That is why the word is being described here, that means quadroon. Quadroon means, half Negro, half white, okay. By looking at her and the boy, it was easy to make out that she was the boy's mother. So, the boy, Harry, who came and who entertained Mr. Shelby and Mr. Haley, the boy was the son of this woman. She had the same dark, beautiful eyes and black silky hair. She was neatly dressed and attractive. The lady, the woman, whose face was very similar with Harry, and it also proved that she was the mother of Harry, okay, because she was also having the beautiful and bright eyes like Harry, and beautiful black silky hair also, okay, and she was dressed very nicely and she looked very attractive. Well, Eliza, said her master as she stopped and hesitantly looked at him. So, when she wanted to enter into the room, at that time she was being stopped by his master, that means Mr. Shelby. Mr. Shelby just asked his name. Asked his name means just uttered her name, and we came to know that the woman's name was Eliza. And the lady, when she wanted to enter, when she was being uttered, when she heard her name, at that time she was very confused and she stopped there. I was looking for Harry, please sir. The boy ran to her, showing her the things he had collected. So Eliza told that she was looking for her son. And at that time, the little boy Harry came towards his mother, and he was showing the things what he had collected. Okay. Well, take him away then, said Mr. Shelby. She quickly went out with the boy. So, Mr. Shelby then and there he informed the woman, that means Eliza, to take her boy and went away from that place. Okay, so maybe the question here that why Mr. Shelby was telling like that, because Mr. Shelby was a good person and he could understand and he knew that Mr. Haley wanted Harry as his slave, which Mr. Shelby did not want. So at that time, Mr. Shelby informed Eliza to take her son away. Now, Mr. Haley turned to Mr. Shelby and said, "You must let me have the boy." So Mr. Haley was there and he told Mr. Shelby that I want this boy and you give it to me. "What on earth can you want with the child?" asked Mr. Shelby. "Well, I have a friend who buys young handsome boys and sells them to rich folks as waiters and attendants." So what happened? So after hearing that, Mr. Shelby told that, "What will you do with this little boy?" Because he was just a little boy. He was just only 4 to 5 years. So what will you do with this little boy? So Mr. Haley, he was telling that I have a friend who wanted some kinds of boy who was very entertaining, and that means the friend of Mr. Haley took those kinds of boy, and he used to send those boys to the folks, okay, and the folks means who and for some works for waiters and for attendants, okay. It increases their prestige and so fetches a good price. And Mr. Haley also told Mr. Shelby that if they would give Harry, so Harry would go for the what to say that go for the folks, and he could gain some prestige as well as some money also. And this little devil is such a comical and musical fellow. He is just the right person for it. So Mr. Haley also told that this boy is just perfect for the four, because Harry was very entertaining, and he could dance, he could sing very well. So if Mr. Shelby could able to give Harry to Mr. Haley, so Mr. Haley would take Harry and he would give Harry to his friend for some purpose. Okay, so up to that.